If loving the Lord is wrong, I don't want to be right.
Coming down. Are you willing to be free? You're in a place to be. It's time to replace your dirt and grit. Come and let me do it. Why did you come if you don't get played? Your miles are up. Leave it here with me. You don't go 5 miles and just break down. Don't move at all and let me go to town. You don't need to stop before I'm finished. This will only take about 10 minutes. Is 10W30 okay?